Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Ram Motorhome, an absolute powerhouse that's been reimagined into the ultimate symbol of luxury on wheels. This isn't just a camper, it's a mobile mansion infused with rugged performance, smart technology, and high-end design, all built on the bold presence of the Ram platform. From the outside, the 2026 Ram Motorhome makes an immediate impression. The iconic Ram front grille is still intact, but it's been enhanced with custom chrome finishes, full LED lighting, and a lifted stance that screams capability. Built on the Ram 5500 chassis, it maintains the reliability and power Ram trucks are known for. Under the hood, it's powered by a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, producing over 370 horsepower and massive torque. Perfect for highway cruising or pulling a trailer, boat, or off-road toys. Now let's talk about the cabin. This is where luxury meets utility. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by rich wood accents, ambient LED lighting, and soft touch materials that run throughout the space. The floor plan has been completely redesigned to maximize comfort. There's a full-size lounge area with reclining leather seats, a 60-inch smart TV, and surround sound system. The walls are sound insulated, offering a true home theater experience even while you're parked at a campsite. The kitchen is equally impressive, outfitted with high-end appliances including a dual-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a residential-style refrigerator with a digital control panel. Solid surface countertops, under-cabinet lighting, and deep storage drawers add both function and elegance. The bathroom is one of the standout features. It has a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall head, a porcelain toilet, and a vanity with a lighted mirror. Everything is fitted like you'd expect in a 5-star hotel, not a motorhome. In the rear, the bedroom is a retreat of its own. A king-size memory foam bed, power blackout shades, USB ports, and an additional entertainment system make it ideal for winding down after a long drive. And storage? You've got overhead compartments, a wardrobe closet with sliding doors, and even a hidden safe for valuables. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. There's a touchscreen control panel that manages lighting, temperature, water levels, and solar charging. You also get integrated Wi-Fi, smart assistant support, and app-controlled vehicle diagnostics. Solar panels on the roof keep your systems powered, while lithium-ion batteries and a quiet generator give you off-grid capability for days. Driving the Ram Motorhome is a surprisingly smooth experience. Thanks to advanced air suspension, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, maneuvering this beast is as easy as handling a luxury SUV. Safety is also top tier, with lane assist, collision warning, blind spot detection, and trailer sway control. But what truly sets this 2026 Ram Motorhome apart is how it blends hardcore utility with top-tier luxury. It's perfect for weekend adventurers, digital nomads, or full-time RVers who refuse to compromise on comfort or capability. Whether you're exploring national parks or living full-time on the road, this rig is built to deliver everything you need with power, style, and sophistication. If you've been dreaming of a motorhome that offers rugged performance with the heart of a luxury penthouse, the 2026 Ram Ultimate Luxury Edition could be your dream come true. It's tough, it's smart, and it's undeniably high-end. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more RV reviews right here on RV Gear Review.